What is the smallest number which when divided by 5, 6 and 7 leaves remainder 4, 5 and 6 respectively? So let the smallest number be say A. We know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Let the smallest number D be the dividend. 5, 6 and 7 are the divisors. 4, 5 and 6 are remainders respectively. So A is equal to 5P plus 4, or A can also be written as 6Q plus 5, and A is equal to 7R plus 6. ठीक है, 4 को हम लिख सकते हैं 5 minus 1, तो A is equal to 5P plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 5 times P plus 1 minus 1. So A plus 1 is equal to 5P plus 1. In this case also A is equal to 6Q plus 6 minus 1 is equal to 6 times Q plus 1 minus 1. A plus 1 is equal to 6 times Q plus 1. In this case also A is equal to 7R plus 7 minus 1 is equal to 7 times R plus 1 minus 1. So again A plus 1 is equal to 7R plus 1. Now from these three equations we can say that A plus 1 is a common multiple of 5, 6, 7. We want the smallest number, right? A plus 1 is equal to LCM of 5, 6 and 7. LCM of 5, 6 and 7. 210. So A plus 1 is equal to 210. So A is equal to 210 minus 1 is equal to 209. So our answer is 209 is the smallest number which when divided by 5, 6 and 7 leaves remainder 4, 5 and 6 respectively.